Hi, I'm Laura, and I'm just going to talk a little bit about the very common problem of hip flexor tightness. A lot of people complain about too much work in the hip flexor or the lateral quad or a tight IT band, and how you might manage that in a group class. When doing exercises with the legs at tabletop, really, it should be felt, the work should really be felt in the abdominals. So even if you're doing things that do involve the hip flexors, when the muscles are really well balanced, the joints are really centered, we don't really feel much work through here. It's all really low abs. Same with when doing classic Pilates exercises, single or double leg stretch. So if you're feeling primarily work, especially through the lateral quad, which rarely would you want, you might try changing how you take your legs up. So if I let my foot slide in towards the bum and kind of roll and sink that hip down, same with the other side, support with the core, but be really lazy through the front of the hip, then I might be able to cheat the feet up while keeping this pretty soft. I might be able to come up, keep really relaxed through the back of the hips and sit bones, and if you need to, just keep the feet a little lower so we're taking rectus femoris out of it, and seeing, even if you're doing leg reaches, if you drop the foot a little bit towards your seat, does it make it a little bit easier to stay released through there? It can make a really big difference to balancing out your musculature and getting the work to be more in your core and less in that lateral line of the hips. Give that a try.